helicopters are the face of the modern machines in India's leap into the manufacturing advance of the rotary wing platform. And there you can see Formation Airborne from Air Force Station Hindon, led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. The Apache attack helicopters flying in victory formation.
संतुलन, साहस और शौर्य का परिचय 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर पहुंचते हुए 137 हेली स्क्वाड्रन से नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन प्रवीण सारथी कर रहे हैं। अन्य सदस्य हैं विंग कमांडर मुनीत डोगरा और विंग कमांडर गौरव पठानिया।
The aircraft equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and sensors, allowing them to operate in a variety of environment and weather conditions.
इंडिया गेट के ठीक पास पहुंचते हुए अजय फॉर्मेशन में 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में तेज खिली हुई धूप और साफ आसमान। हेलीकॉप्टर ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे।
The formation led by Wing Commander Pinak Ashok Kodkute, along with Wing Flight Lieutenant Anurag Mishra, Wing Commander Amol, along with Flight Lieutenant Sahaj Preet, and Squadron Leader Rahul Kishore, along with Squadron Leader Rohit Anand. The formation comprising 1 AIM-32, which is airborne from Air Force Station Chandigarh, while the Dorniers taken off today from Palam Air Base. AIM-32, a strong, rugged aeroplane with a mighty roar, is the workhorse of the Satluj formation, the only aircraft in the IF with the role of air calibration of the IF airfields. And now, the Rakshak formation debuting on the Kartavya Path today for the maiden formation flypast, Rakshak, the Dornier formation of the Indian Coast Guard. True to their motto, Vayam Rakshamaha, the Indian Coast Guard have rescued over 12,000 lives from the unforgiving ocean. The formation led by DIG Kamal Bharadwaj and other aircraft flown by DIG Siddharth Bhandari and Commandant Jayant Thorat.
रक्षक फॉर्मेशन राष्ट्रीय समर स्मारक के ऊपर से गुजरता हुआ
Anti-piracy and 2 C-295 aircraft, the latest tactical transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force.
2 C-295 विमान एशॉन में C-130J एयरक्राफ्ट के साथ, और इस फॉर्मेशन का नाम अर्जुन फॉर्मेशन मार्शल ऑफ द एयरफोर्स अर्जुन सिंह के नाम पर रखा गया है। नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन अंकित राज सिंह कर रहे हैं।
Indian Navy and 2 Sukhoi 30. The PHI is aloft, making it the most potent maritime platform. The aircraft undertakes wide range of missions. The formation today led by Commander Ruchit Kaur, flying the PHI, and the Sukhoi 30 flown by Group Captain Manoj Yadav and Wing Commander Parvinder Singh Chahal. PHI airborne today from Air Force Station Jaisalmer, while the Sukhoi is airborne from Air Force Station Jodhpur. This formation is flying at a speed of 555 kilometers per hour. Formation led by Commander Ruchit Kaur.